Hello. Are you all right? Winter, you have become an American now, eh?
No, I just came for your visit.
Very good. The very right to be human is denied every day to hundreds of millions of people as a result of poverty and the unavailability of basic necessities such as food, jobs, water and shelter, education, health care, and a healthy environment. As I sit in Kunu, my village, and grow as ancient as its hills, I will continue to entertain the hope that there has emerged a cadre of leaders in my own country and region, on my continent, and in the world, which will not allow that any should be denied their freedom, as we were, that any should be turned into refugees, as we were, that any should be condemned to go hungry, as we were, that any should be stripped of their human dignity, as we were.
At the time, Nelson Mandela was serving as the president of South Africa and was widely respected as the global symbol of freedom, reconciliation, and anti-apartheid struggle.